Assalamu alaikum everyone, good time to all of you. This is Hassan in front of you. Right now I'm very excited with my younger brother. He's very excited. Right now we're gonna share with today 2025 and 26 BPL match. And you know this today final match, right?
Yes,
As,
always the final. Today is final match in BPL.
And BPL and final match, Chittagong Royals and Rangpur Riders, there are also. So we are very excited right now. That's why we study.
Now we are staying 6th floor, but we are coming in.
We are
front
studying
of-
practice,
front
but
of
right
stadium.
now when we saw and
then now
we student found lots of people. That's why we came.
saw is lots of guy, and then now we saw is News 24 guy.
Nafis, come, Nafis.
And then I saw
So lots of people. So BPL match. If you came, then Dhaka city is lots of people. So right now we practice. Nafis. Our younger one brother, he also right now is discussed some talk. Journalist. So very excited. Chittagong versus Rangpur. So lots of people.
নিয়েছেন এখন কত করে নিয়েছে
There are also 600. So right now, ticket price too much very high. Too much high.
আর তাহমিদ available তাহমিদ
Tahmid, what happened right now?
How are you, sir?
How is
Mr. Tahmid, how are you feeling right now?
Feeling now? How is your flex now? Good?
Tahmid.
Are you good? Will you
Nafis.
go?
So everyone right now also lots of people gather in front of the stadium. So this also location stadium fast gate. So lots of people. So I can't video because it is lots of people. So everyone, journalists and police and also security. And I don't know because some few minutes after we will be start BPL match. That's why every players also right now this BPL match also giant foreigner players. So we are very excitement right now. So I can believe right now I stay here in front of English traffic. So some few days after we will be start English. So this also our this place visit our English building, the behind the English building. So I saw this building and BPL match and so lots of people, thousand people. There are also came just for to enjoy and also also lots of people they are coming right from this roadside. Mikutchu behind the Purnamari stadium, this side and in front stadium. So I also excited, but I didn't buy this ticket because I have to lots of time study focus, so I didn't get time.
I find you, but I
Nafis.
can't find you.
So Nafis, right now also lots of people and
Now we see lots of people, and lots of people are very funny and very
right now
laughing
enjoy and there
That's
are
why we are very
spectator
happy now.
and played spectator are being enjoyed right now. So you should some comment and our video some few days after we will publish our
Now
channel.
we are feeling
So,
super duper excited. Now we saw lots of people in. Now we saw lots of people
because
in
you can't
Mirpur
believe
six area.
my spectator
Mirpur
because
six
I heard in
area
front of
and
you
then-
Nafis in front of lots of because it's in front of stadium first gate. This is the gate number
Gate number 2 maybe.
two,
This
but
gate number
you
2.
can't believe this is lots of people is
Lots of
2K people
here
stay here. So
inside, and
this
then
is
we
today
saw
is the final
BPL
match
now.
and Chittagong Royals and Rangpur Riders. So because we are practice classroom, right?
Yes,
When
we are practicing English and
we
then
listened and
we are very excited.
we looked window. After that,
Now
we
we're
saw
very excited. We are-
lots of people. That's why
Now we're looking.
we didn't stay here, so we came.
There is like
This
BCB.
group.
Do you know this building is
The
BCB?
BCB also, there are
Yes.
lots of advertise poster.
And there are lots
This
of
gate number is
guys
number 2.
in front of
Gate number
front
2.
of side,
So,
and then we
stop.
saw lots of girls,
Okay, so-
lots of people. Hey, come here.
Gather also the film foreign
This
and
place is very
they are
gathered.
also come. I don't know. There are maybe authorities. Some there also came and I properly I can't.
We probably can't see his stadium
Because there's a
front
lots of
side,
people.
but we saw his stadium second gate, his entry gate. But we saw lots of people here. This side.
Also right now there's a authority any car available car.
Hey,
So,
these are Dhaka
at the hospital.
Regency's card available this side. There and going. This card is going inside.
I just I thought if we, I won't get chance there, so that's why I didn't stay at my room, so I came.
Yeah. Now we are staying in our Geneva room, but 6th floor.
And you know this is decorated. It's too much in front
Our
of English.
Hassan said we should go there. And
But
then we are very
next time we won't
excited.
get chance. So why
Yes.
can I
Then we are
go?
very excited
So
this
we was
time.
excited, and you know.
This time we are very excited. That time I thought we have to go this side, and then we are coming this side now.
And so
Now we are speaking.
because you know basically I very enjoy people. There are also all maximum
all-
many
maximum people are
many
very super duper excited
spectators.
now. We are very excited now. And
many
then we
spectators. There
saw
are also
lots
bots,
of people.
and there are bots also
Yes.
jersey.
And yes, one kind of boy. I thought one kind of.
Only.
BPL
Jersey,
ticket
and-
price is 600 or
Right now also no.
1,000.
Okay.
But do you know 600 ticket price now 1,000 plus, no 1,000, 1,500 plus, and then VIP ticket now 2,000 plus. Is bad habit our Bangladesh. Hey, how do you, bro?
Hey, right now.
I'm audience. Hello,
Hello.
Hanky Manky, our YOLO media.
Why you make it a good video? So, hey, how was your feeling? How was your feeling?
Oh my God.
He was reading, but when he saw window that time, he's a came. So you know, I share of everyone. So because right now, as you know, in front stadium in front, this road all totally decorated and different decorated. You know, there are lots of flag and balloon is being flown and this totally different and totally road car bus any local bike ride is totally off because right now also still have lots of people so this place also
His environment is natural.
also senior brother also you know this place is also you know BPL some poster and available and in front of also you know before some few days ago our previous prime minister Khaleda Zia he died that's why he's you know morning day this picture available and so I also share with John.
We should make some video and then together and then
bro,
lots of
we should visit this place.
and
Okay.
shock. They are he thinking
And
that time
today, you know,
thinking.
the decorated, totally different decorated
Different
because
decorated.
I don't light and we don't light this quality totally different and because previous time we saw BPL
Now we
but
saw lots
this,
of people
this year
coming
20,
in
in
BPL
25
entry gate, and then they are
25 and 26
There is
this
top line
BPL
and
totally different because you know oh you enjoy this spectacle
lots of guy here to side and then we are walking is
and journalists there are also fine and good people and
Now
they
we saw
discuss
lots
and
of
interview
walking inside.
slowly like Nafis right
Not
now
slowly, I feel good now.
we are right now we are walking on the road because you know this road always jam and car
Yes, lots of
If you-
this road every time, lots of
Sometimes-
car, bus available. But now, full road is empty. Full road is empty now. Lots of people walking this road.
and sometimes
this road
you know
is fully
when
empty now.
we before time when we across this road that time we
Hey, brother,
can't wait
we should go there. This side is
Visit them after time, again, okay? Because then we across this road, we won't get chance, we wouldn't get chance. But right now, you know, this road totally empty, and right now is a road road change, and right now this quality, maybe it's the ground quality. So in nationally Bangladesh national 2025, 26, so, foreigner, lots of foreigner people there can. But
BPL final match, we are very enjoy. We are very super duper. Now we are feel very super duper. Now we'll enjoy his BPL match, and then we saw lots of people here.
Stop. We should this side visit or this side?
No, this side is very crowded area. We should go there.
Also.
Hey, this side is free. We should go there.
Also, we said that lots of, but we didn't buy any jersey. This is our problem. But before time, we didn't understand.
I don't have any ticket. That's why I won't go there.
Actually, we can't understand this quality right now. We are enjoyable. But before time,
we have to buy ticket.
But before time, I said, but another people there are said also some enjoyment because the next month will be going to be held election. And Ramadan, that's why we are discussed. Maybe some people came, but right now, in front of stadium, the in front road, and
lots of people gathered inside, and then we are waiting for go there. But we don't have any ticket. That's why we won't get chance in stadium from inside. But we'll try.
And also not only road behind, and for English.
Full road are very empty, no vehicles available. But
stadium,
lots of people
beside road, all road, they are also decorated, right?
Yes.
Decorated. And all shop behind there are new flag, and painted any color and painting any kind of statue. So totally different today. Mood,
yes.
Because today final match. So everyone, so if you want to watch to play, so please like, comment our video, because we are today excited. That's the reason we came.
We are
Because
very excited now. We saw lots of people gathering.
Lots of journalists, but we over the journalists.
No. We saw lots of journalists, but we are.
You're talking in some turn, but you should directly talk. Okay.
Yes.
You're talking in sometimes turn, long time.
Turn.
But tongue, you should avoid turn. Because normally
Turn
turn means long.
Oh, we should go there. Yo.
Also Nafis, he first of all he said he won't come, but
Now I am very excited, bro. Now I am very excited.
And this the statue also, this statue, also
This statue in one player is showing ball, and then took picture, and then made one statue.
We are before time we visited.
We should go there. This area is
Stadium, Sherbangla Stadium, but right now Sherbangla Stadium, and also right now this people final match ticket and 1K plus. But right now don't. Right now the also authority has said there are not available ticket because last day night time
they don't have one FTP.
They are also sell last night. So right now
they have lots of ticket, but they will sell is broker, and then broker sell.
Yes. This is a big problem. Some broker they are also first of all collected this ticket. Then after there are public points and lots of money. Middle point there are collect money. This problem because 600 our roommate they are also collect this ticket 600 taka, maybe 600 taka. Right now is a ticket no available ticket. So
yeah.
And before time our also roommates they are collected. But this is actually gentleman. There are
yes.
Clever boy. That's why. But right now ticket available. But this is broker. Broker. This middle point broker he collect money.
600 ticket now 100 plus 1K plus
1K plus. So also. Brother, how much this price right now? How much this price?
Now he said.
But this ticket
now he said. First of all, I said for now he said 600 taka ticket price, but he bought.
Also, our roommate there also bought 600 taka, but right now
is
1K 300. But this is
very bad. Our country is
middle point broker. There are collecting authorities sell him, and this is big problem. This is corruption, totally Bangladeshi corruption.
I know our roommate
But our
is
roommate also
bought 600 taka per ticket, but
right now broker there are collect, then there are sell public. So this is our Bangladeshi problem. Excited. This is not good because totally handle is a government and cricket board. But there are also right now there are totally didn't control this.
hey, it's our BCB and another thing. Government, all people are hanky by.
BCB right now they didn't control.
Our building.
Also, this place to our building. I was watching the Asia. This behind this, this middle point on building without painting this
You
will our
talk
building.
to Jewelburo. We did ticket.
But Julbro he said, if you Hassan, no problem. Our Jul brother, he's first of all roommate. He said, Hassan, if you can sell, so I bought lots of many ticket. Then next time you will sell. But that time I didn't understand. Hey, Nafis, Jul brother, he said, if you can sell, so I bought some ticket. Then you will sell. Then we are enjoy this money.
Yes,
But
yes.
that time I didn't understand this how this condition will be.
Possible or not possible?
But I can't. But right now I believe
it's not
we are bound to believe. But
But it's not good. It's when you
Totally
keep
corruption.
when you keep police, that time arrest and lots of money fine. That's why
but
it's not.
lots of broker.
it's
There
not
are
good-
collect
good
authority
word.
to BCB
We
to
should
go
go,
ticket. Then so everyone, thank you. Next time I will come. So thank you.
Come here.
You say hi.
They are laughing. Why they are laughing?
Hi. Video complete. So Nafis.
Hey, thank you.
Next time new body okay. Me and
Next time
younger
we're
brother
coming.
Nafis will come.
Coming, I'm
Thank you
Nafis
everyone.
and
Good to see you
Hassan
next
bro
time
are
again.
coming. Thank